Yummy. Look at all of that creamy peanut butter. So I am gonna get started today by adding about 16 ounces of your favorite peanut butter right into your bowl. Now we're gonna pair that up with some vanilla yogurt. I went ahead with some Yoplait yogurt here. I've got a 24-ounce container and I'm just gonna dump this entire thing in with that PB. Yeah, oh my goodness, you guys are in for a treat. This is one of my easiest summertime treats that I absolutely love. So now all you're gonna do is you're just gonna start to mix together the yogurt and the peanut butter until it's all combined together. Look at that. Now the vanilla yogurt, you can also do plain, but it just gives it a little bit more sweetness that I really, really love with what we're doing here today. Of course, options are open always. Now you can tell that it's starting to actually thicken up a little bit as that yogurt blends in with that peanut butter. Oh my gosh, we are in for a treat today. This looks fantastic. You can tell everything is blended in nicely. We have this delicious peanut butter color flavored, I don't know, what are we gonna call this? I wanna say nice cream. Isn't that what they call like the better for you ice cream, nice cream? So I have my ice cream scooper here and I'm just gonna take a nice big scoop just like that and bring it over here right on to my baking sheet. That's it. Look at those perfect ice cream balls right there. Placing that right on top. That's why I love using the ice cream scooper. It just kind of makes them uniform. I think it's the perfect size, the perfect serving, and look at how they just stay so nicely. That's exactly what we're trying to do here today, guys. We're trying to work smarter, not harder. So we're putting all of these tasty peanut butter balls right here onto our baking sheet. Those look amazing. Once we have those all on there, let's just slide these over here. I do have some popsicle sticks and I'm just gonna come through and stick a popsicle stick right here in each one of these. Now I'm gonna fill up another tray. This does make a batch for about, I don't know, it'll make about 14 to 16 of these popsicles. Ooh. Perfect. And don't worry, you will eat every single one of them. They are that delicious. So right now, I'm gonna put these in the freezer so they freeze and they get nice and hard, and stick around, you're gonna love what comes next. We are ready for action, you guys. We have some nice cold ice cream balls here, and I'm gonna bring in 2 cups of melted chocolate. I love the Ghirardelli Dark. You can choose what you like. I swear though, it is the best one. Now check this out. I have these nice on a stick and I'm just gonna dip them right into this chocolate. Make sure the chocolate goes all the way around to the top. Oh yeah, look at that. Peanut butter chocolate ice cream bars, perfect. You can let all of that drip off. Now, if you wanted to dip anything into the ends, right now would be the time, because as these are nice and cold, they're gonna start to cool down really quickly. Then you wanna transfer them right over to your baking sheet. And you move right along just doing that while they're nice and cold and this chocolate is good and melty. And don't forget, if you wanna add anything else onto the ends, right now at this very moment would be the time to do that. But I'm gonna choose just to keep it pretty basic today, so I'm just gonna let the excess chocolate drip, and my mouth is watering as well. Oh, these look so good. Just setting down my last peanut butter bar right here, but I'm gonna be patient and not get ahead of myself. I'm gonna pop these back in the freezer just for a moment so they can set back up, because then I'm just gonna be eating these like it's summertime. We are all ready for some goodness here. Look at how cute these are. I absolutely love them. It is your total own little popsicle, you guys. We have like our own, what did we say, nice cream, this chocolate peanut butter. And I definitely want to share one with David. So babe, why don't you come over here so you can cheers me with this tasty popsicle. Woohoo. All right, so I already got mine picked out. You've got to pick yours out. So which one are you going for here?
I'm gonna go with this one right here.
I feel like I got a little extra chocolate.
Oh. Lucky.
All right, cheers. Let's dig in. That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Wow.
Good. These are so good. It's like speechless. So creamy. Then we have this chocolatey. That yogurt pairs so good with the peanut butter. And it comes to be like this really great consistency when it's nice and frozen. I absolutely love this easy treat, you guys, especially for the summertime. Let me know if there's anything that you're gonna do different. Maybe you're gonna add something in. I'd love to hear about it. We'll see you guys later. Enjoy.